Muralidharan, Chair Professor at the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Madras. His academic journey started with Diploma in Metallurgy in 1983, followed by BE from Vyasi Nagpur in 1986 and MA from IISc Bangalore in 1988. He obtained his PhD in 1992 from IISc Bangalore. After serving at IIT Kharagpur for 12 years, he has been a professor at IIT Madras since 2004. He is also currently an adjunct professor at Ryerson University, Toronto, Canada since 2011 and also an associate faculty of School of Engineering, University of British Columbia, Canada Science in 2016. His fields of interest are high entropy alloys, nanocrystalline materials and nanocomposites, bulk material, metallic glasses, grain refinement and modification of all alloys, AI-based composites, non-equilibrium processing, particulate technologies, thermodynamics and kinetics of phase transformation, transmission electron microscopy, atom tomography. He has authored about 400 journals, publications and 4 books. He has supervised 39 PhDs and 29 PhDs are ongoing. He has completed over 55 sponsored research projects and currently handling 13 projects and filed 20 patents. His main research contributions are: he has pioneered in the field of non-equilibrium processing of materials by mechanical alloying. He has not only developed advanced materials using this route, but also has made key contributions to the development of theoretical frameworks in this field. He has developed a wide variety of nanomaterials with exceptional structural, functional properties and demonstrated their technological viability. He has made significant contributions to the field of bulk metallic glasses, including developing thermodynamic models for predicting glass forming ability. He has also pioneered the field of high entropy alloys from India, which are exciting new class of material with immense application potential. His group is the first in India to successfully develop a technology for production grain refiners for aluminum and demonstrate their superiority over the imported ones. So he has received a number of awards, including Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, J.C. Bose Fellowship Award, IME Outstanding Teacher Award, Honorary Doctorate from Peking University, Australia, Lifetime Achievement Award, IIT Madras, G.D. Birla Gold Medal, Eminent Materials Engineer Award, Distinguished Alumnus Award. So many awards is received. High profile is there due to time factor. Thank you, sir, for today's session. We are here. Now, brief bio on Basudhar Jagadishwar Rao is currently the Vice Chancellor of the University of Hyderabad. Prior to this, he was Senior Professor, Chair of Biology, Gene Faculty at the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, and also a Senior Professor and Chair Biology for several years at TIFR, Mumbai. He pursued his MSc from Osmania University and PhD from IISc Bangalore and his postdoctoral research from Allen Medical School. Apart from his research in the domain of biology, he is also interested in dissemination of scientific knowledge and outreach activities. As to his credit, 130 publications with 1371 citations, 1371 citations. He is fellow of all the 3 national academies in India and the Sir J.C. Bose Fellow of the Department of Science and Technology, India. Professor Rao is chief member and an advisor on various national and international committees providing leadership roles. He has won many awards and fellowships. He has been the chief editor of Journal of Bioscience, a flagship journal of Indian Academy of Sciences and Finger Nature combined. He has also been a DST inspired teacher articulating the current excitements of basic biology to undergraduate students across India. He pursues biology as a complex manifestation of physics, chemistry of dynamically evolving systems and emphasizes the design principles in biology. He has delivered numerous technical, non-technical and public lectures for varied audiences. He has been an inspiring proponent of new ideas that impact education, science, technology, for our society and the Bharat as a whole. He has high profile, but due to time factor, it is limiting to year only. So, and the brief bio notes of Professor J. Mahendra Reddy is at present Vice Chancellor of ICFI Foundation for Higher Education. Professor Reddy got his master's degree from the Delhi School of Economics with distinction and a doctorate in economics from the University of Alberta in Edmonton, Canada. He was a fellow of the Shastri Indo-Canadian Institute at Carleton University in Ottawa. He was Fulbright Fellow at the University of Boston. He was the first chair in the Indian Ocean Studies of the Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation located at the University of Mauritius. He taught in the Faculty of Business Administration at the University of Alberta in Canada, St. Peter's College in the United States, Administrative Staff College of India, and Osmania University for over 3 decades. He was a member of the high-level committee appointed by the UGC ISCSSR, the Government of Andhra Pradesh, and the Government of India, Association of Management Development Institutions in South Asia and ICFI. He was also a member of the FICCI Higher Education Committee. He was a member of the Governing Council of the Association of Indian Universities 2015 to 17 located in New Delhi. Thank you, sir, for your presence here. Now, the session is open. There is a discussion on the topic Institutional Development Plan for Higher Educational Institution and also Internationalization of Higher Education. Now, it's over to Professor Budhraj Srinivasamurthy at IIT Hyderabad to give his valuable inputs on this theme.
Good afternoon, friends. First